The Nintendo Switch 2 is already making headlines despite no official announcement yet. Leaks hint at significant upgrades that have gamers wondering if it can surpass the Lenovo Legion Go. While the Legion Go promises powerful handheld performance, the rumored Switch 2 might also heavily influence portable gaming. Let's look at the leaks and rumors to see if Nintendo's next console can truly challenge the Legion Go. Rumors indicate that Nintendo is enhancing the build quality with improved materials and slightly slimmer bezels to provide a more modern aesthetic for the Switch 2. The design will likely continue to support a hybrid format, allowing players to switch seamlessly between handheld and docked modes. Furthermore, the new model is rumored to feature dual USB-C ports for more convenient charging during gameplay. While still offering removable Joy-Con controllers, the ergonomics and button quality may see upgrades to enhance comfort during extended gaming sessions. On the other hand, the Lenovo Legion Go is a beast in terms of design. Its build quality is robust and premium, with an ergonomic grip designed to provide maximum comfort for prolonged usage. The Legion Go is bulkier than the rumored Nintendo Switch 2, but makes up for that with its durable feel and PC-like gaming controls. With its integrated trackpads and detachable controllers, the Legion Go aims to offer more versatility for players who prefer traditional controller setups. The Nintendo Switch 2 is expected to come with a larger screen, estimated to be between 7.5 and 8.4 inches, providing a better viewing experience compared to its predecessor. Reports claim that the display will support a 120Hz refresh rate, which would offer smoother motion and reduced input lag. Additionally, there are whispers of HDR support, which could greatly enhance visuals by improving contrast and color accuracy. While it is not confirmed whether the display will be LCD or OLED, the latter would be a major selling point considering the improved brightness and color saturation it provides. The Lenovo Legion Go, in contrast, boasts an impressive 8.8-inch QHD display with a refresh rate of 144 Hz. This puts it ahead of most handheld gaming consoles in terms of display technology, providing sharp visuals and excellent fluidity during gameplay. With a resolution of 2560 by 1600 pixels, the Lenovo Legion Go's screen is built to deliver a high-end visual experience. While the Nintendo Switch 2 focuses on a balance between performance and portability, the Lenovo Legion Go leans towards providing an unrivaled visual experience, especially for those who prefer high-resolution, fast-paced gaming. The Nintendo Switch 2 is expected to feature the NVIDIA Tegra T239 chip, offering graphics capabilities that may rival previous generation consoles like the PlayStation 4 and Xbox One. The use of NVIDIA's DLSS technology would be a significant upgrade, allowing the console to deliver higher quality visuals without sacrificing performance. Additionally, the new model is rumored to include 12 GB of RAM, which is a substantial improvement over the original 4 GB of RAM. Internal storage is expected to be around 128 GB of UFS 3.1. Meanwhile, the Lenovo Legion Go is powered by an AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, which is designed specifically for handheld gaming devices. With up to 16 GB of RAM and storage options starting from 256 GB and going up to 1 TB, the Legion Go offers a performance package that resembles a compact gaming laptop. The device's use of cutting-edge AMD technology ensures it can run demanding AAA games with impressive fluidity. Nintendo is expected to improve upon the existing Nintendo Switch Online service, providing a more robust online experience for the Switch 2. Enhanced multiplayer functionalities, backward compatibility with previous Switch games, and potential integration with future Nintendo exclusive titles like Mario Kart 9 are all on the table. Moreover, the device is expected to support a revamped user interface designed to enhance navigation and game management. The Lenovo Legion Go offers a much different approach, with its focus on a Windows-based operating system, providing compatibility with a wider range of games from Steam, Xbox Game Pass, and other major platforms. The device's customizable interface, detachable controllers, and trackpad functionality provide a more versatile experience. However, unlike the Nintendo Switch 2, the Legion Go lacks exclusive first-party titles, relying instead on sheer power and accessibility to third-party games. If the rumors are accurate, the Nintendo Switch 2's NVIDIA Tegra T239 chip, paired with 12 GB of RAM, will deliver substantial improvements in performance. With NVIDIA DLSS technology, the console could potentially run games at higher resolutions while maintaining smooth frame rates. Benchmark tests are not available yet, but early impressions suggest the Switch 2 will be capable of handling more graphically demanding games without noticeable lag. The Lenovo Legion Go, however, has already demonstrated impressive performance benchmarks thanks to its AMD Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor. With its higher RAM capacity and superior display resolution, the Legion Go consistently delivers smooth gameplay experiences across various demanding titles. Benchmarks show that it easily outperforms the original Nintendo Switch and is likely to outperform the Nintendo Switch 2. Battery life is another area where the Nintendo Switch 2 is expected to improve. With a larger display and enhanced processing capabilities, the device may require a higher capacity battery to maintain acceptable usage times. Improved power efficiency from the NVIDIA chip could help mitigate excessive power consumption. The Lenovo Legion Go, despite its impressive performance, struggles with battery life due to the high demands of its powerful processor and high-resolution display. Users can expect around 2 to 4 hours of gameplay depending on the intensity of the game being played. However, the inclusion of fast charging technology allows users to quickly top up the battery when needed. The Nintendo Switch 2 is expected to be released later in 2025, with official details likely to be shared during the upcoming Nintendo Direct event. Pricing is anticipated to be around $399, which would make it a competitive offering considering its rumored capabilities. The Lenovo Legion Go, already available in the market, is priced higher, with the base model starting at $699 United States dollars. This price difference reflects the powerful hardware and premium display technology it offers. The Nintendo Switch 2 offers a balanced hybrid experience with enhanced performance, visuals, and a strong lineup of exclusive titles. Its affordability makes it appealing to mainstream gamers. In contrast, the Lenovo Legion Go focuses on raw power and a broader game library, supporting platforms like Steam and Xbox Game Pass. If you prefer exclusive Nintendo games, go for the Switch 2. For sheer power and variety, the Legion Go is the better choice, but the cost is also higher. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for daily updates like this.